up, guys? We're here today back at Thomas Miata's crib, you know what I'm saying? You can tell by all the E46s, E36s, you know what I'm saying? Dad Bobbies. We're gonna go head to a drift event in, I think it's like Shenandoah, Virginia. We got the squad with us. We got the gang, you know what I'm saying? Gang, 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 gang. We got Thomas right here, guys, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, Thomas Miata, you know.
But check him out.
17 throwouts, or shout outs again.
Hell yeah, we gotta give him like a million. I'll get my city belt off. Oh God, I got a feeling back in my leg. We're up here in a fucking mountain right now. Got the Miata trailer here. Look at this view, guys. If you guys are not from like a place like this, you gotta appreciate these things, you know? We're about to get some grub. Hit the Subway, cause you know, vegan stuff. I'm a vegan now. Just changed up my name. We're gonna get some Subway.
It's when you're welding and you catch on fire.
Nice. We're about to eat some of these subbies, and then we're gonna go back to the drift area. Oh, the freaking bellies are full. Now it's time to go to the drift event, get some ride-alongs, and check out some dope cars for real. I guess this would be like my first like real event. That other one was kind of small. This one's gonna be like legit. Go follow him on Instagram and on YouTube, guys. Yeah. Look at this. This view is so, I don't know, this like intrigues me because it's like, I don't know, I'm not used to this. But we got so many awesome cars. We're gonna go check out some cars and a whole bunch of drifting, and then we're gonna do some ride-alongs. Thomas with his turd. What's up, dude? So apparently, this guy right here has never been in a drift car before. And not once. He's getting ready to get his first ride in the Miata. So we're gonna keep you guys updated because this guy, he's gonna come back, refreshed, refueled. He's gonna be like this. Okay. Hey, look at my hair, bro. Everywhere. Hey bro, how was that? That shit was crazy. Yo, this man's face was like, boy, what's up?
Just near the end of it.
This thing is so small.
That's what she said.
I'll be right back when I'm strapped in. Alright guys, you probably can't even hear me. But now we just gotta wait for a couple minutes and we're gonna shred it up, man. Yeah. Well, let's go drifting. the fuck?
Hey, it's a nice camera you got there. Same camera, I'm guessing.
What are you doing, bro?
It's a Mark II. You got a Mark II?
It's a Mark II.
Oh, okay, sweet.
Yeah.
Snap.
Yeah,
Hold
bro.
up.
Freeze!
Oh, I
shit!
didn't know it did that.
Say hello to. Oh, you for real?
I didn't know.
Damn. Shout out to Stu. He let me borrow his helmet, his extra helmet, so we could ride along with this friggin' beast. All right, this guy has a YouTube. What is it?
TRACKHABITAT.
TRACKHABITAT. I'm gonna put it down in the description, and I'm gonna also like put it somewhere around here so you guys can go check it out. What is it mainly like? Just a lot of.
It's this car right here, raw footage.
There's a whole bunch of raw footage of this car and drifting, baby. Oh, yeah. Go ahead, Stu. Go ahead, Stu. Look at this guy. I know this thing sucks, dude.
I don't know if I can stand up right now, so I'm just.
I think you're just getting old, bro.
No, I'm just gonna sit, man. You know.
Yeah. How was it, bro?
After that, that was nice.
I don't know. This car is a beast.
It is.
We're here in the, was it a 5.3 LS swap?
That's right.
86?
That's right.
This thing's badass, guys. What's your, you don't have like any social media or anything? Or you do?
Oh yeah, we do.
What's,
Jack Motorsports, JAC. Jack Motorsports.
Jack Motorsports, guys. I'm gonna post all in the description and maybe like around here, but we're gonna get a little ride along with their badass car. They've been messing it up all day today. So it's gonna be fun. Damn, is this Ian Supra? What? Ooh. Okay, baby. All right, guys, we're in Stewart once again. It's getting late out here. We're gonna take a ride in the premium fuel drift Physics, baby. So I haven't been in this car since I think I reviewed it, to be honest. So it's gonna be lit, guys.
A boost gauge. I make 13 pounds at idle.
13 pounds of boost, bro.
13 pounds at idle.
Damn.
NA boost.
NA boost?
NA boost.
If you guys haven't known, he's actually mastered the NA boost, guys, in the Mustang. So if you want to see more of the NA boost build, check him out on YouTube, guys. Bro.
Alright, man.
Alright, guys, well, I want to say thanks to Stu for letting me ride along in the Premium Fuel Mag Drift Fox, guys. Go check him out on YouTube. I'm going to post everybody that we met here, all the links and stuff in the description, so you guys can go subscribe to them and check out their awesome. Alright, guys, so hope you enjoy this little drift event. Go check out Thomas Miata and everybody else that's in the description. This shit's fucking lit. So comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon.